Anyways, boys, another Lakesider here. Black and white cottage, the future's cubular unit. We'll check that next. Oh, his garage over here took a harder hit than Tyson's last opponent, buddy. Check this thing out. Yep, no question there, buddy. Tree came down, took a wall off her. Roof doesn't look hard first barred. Right now it's just pouring water down, funneling it inside. What a mess. That's the future cube unit. Looks like a tree did fall pop top here, hit that other side, banged up the scupper. We'll look it over. Hop up here, have a look. Boys, hopped up here. Some gaping holes here, I'll show you, but look. Blew damn near the whole forest down there. This is Stoney Lake, I figured out. Beautiful spot. Check it. Perfect drawing chimney. Can't beat it. Join it. Alright, boys, check it out. Looks like big dog daddy tree came down. Boom. Bang, nice hole in it, but scuffed this whole side up. You can see on the peak where it rested its foul head. Drip sauce all over the roof afterwards, but yeah, she treated this pie here like a Thanksgiving pumpkin pie and just feasted on her like you wouldn't imagine. Puncture holes, it's still got sticks coming out. We're just going to caulk around those. Done, right, Ian? Yeah. Yeah, that's our quality, buddy. Carry on. No, just joking, pal. We're gonna do the real deal on it. Look at this hole here. God, lucky one of those raccoons never moved in. Made a nest. Yeah, they're probably living in there now already. Another hole there behind the vent. Just poking at it, eh? Like a finger in the chest. Pal. Smashed up this section of gutter. Like 5 spots on this run. And then is there even a gutter on that pie? Maybe there was. I think I've seen another section of gutter somewhere that was smashed. Anyways, patch her up. Keep on rocking and rolling. Check it out, boys. We keep noticing more and more. Like, see the little patch? The little patch. Yeah, buddy, well, there's branches that'll poke their way right through the roof when a big tree falls. Like this one, for example. When I wiggle that, I can hear it hitting the soffits down below. And not only that, but it's also set up just like a funnel. So when the water rolls down the roof, and that's a fair length of roof, so you're building up a lot of water running here. It's hitting this and just going boop, boop, down your hole, folks. Nobody needs extra moisture jammed down their hole without consent. Okay, folks? The patching continues. Yeah, we got her all patched up like a set of corduroys there, buddy. So anyways, yeah, it's probably about a dozen puncture wounds there, like a stab victim. Ice and water on them, seal them up, document the disastrous nature of this happening. And then what? Yeah, carry on, boys. The cube. Just heading down and we realized that where they tied this peak into that other roof, there's like a 1 foot section of valley on each side. Yeah, the boys didn't quite tie that in right, whoever did this job. So not only are we fixing the leaks caused by the tree, we're also fixing the leaks that we find on the roof from the guy who roofed it, so we don't get blamed for them. Just how it is out here. See that across the friggin' lake there, boys? 18 trees down in that property. This whole shoreline's desecrated, pal. Anyways, top of the old Rubik's Cubeler. Custom skylight unit up here. Manufactured by hand, literally. Caulking since day one, boys. Bit of fire sealant on there, just a pane of glass. It's condensating like the side of a cold beer, buddy. But that's alright. I hope whoever did that knew that was gonna happen. Anyways, looks like a tree came down, maybe the top off this one. Chop-a-do. Smuck. She hit the metal right there, minor dent, but then she slid across the side here, boys. Banged the scupper off and just tweaked that wall topper there a little, so very minor. The roof's not too bad. I mean, it's patched together like crazy. Could have done this with one kick of 20, one kick of 10, single seam. But hey, you can do whatever you want to do if it ain't me. I like that nice trough system on each side, scupper in 3 corners. It's pretty slick. Slightly camel-backed in the middle there, little hump to it, like your prom date. Yeah, you can really see that garage from here. She's cooked up like a Sunday's dinner, like a jigs at grandpa's, boy. She's cooked. Well, there you have it, folks. Just another quick roof report there on a Lakesider for insurance. A few temp repairs, you know. Keep the moist demons out. The wet ones, pal. Anyways, yeah, I didn't put in all the details on how to do a roof report, nothing like that. You might know how to do that if you're a roofer and you're into this kind of thing. And if not, you've probably seen the most entertaining parts of the visit, because notes and drawings aren't that fun, folks. But anyways, yeah, 2 cottages on this property and a shed that's pretty much a write-off. They said they're just tearing the shed down, so don't bother messing around too hard and heavy with it. So I didn't, okay? Imagine that. But yeah, boys, place like this, Stoney Lake, man, it's probably a $4.5 million property, boys and girls. This ain't what you're getting out there in the US, them big mansions and all that stuff. This is what you get for your money down here. She is expensive, but beautiful. Anyways, cheers.